In this video, we are going to see that if you want to install the Facebook app in your laptop in Windows 11, here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to the start menu and right here, store. This will open and show the Microsoft Store option. Just go ahead and click on that and you should be able to land on this screen. And from the top, you just find here Facebook, hit enter. Just open up the Facebook application. Here it is and click on get. It might ask you for some sign-in details if you're not already signed in with any of the account in your Windows 11. After that, it will prepare the download for you, as you can see. It might take some time depending on your internet speed, so just sit back and relax. And now it is installing. And now you can see this open button. Click on open. Also, you should be able to see it here added in the apps. So just open it from here. And there you go, guys. You simply log in with your credentials and that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.